This is Drops in the Bucket, Book 1, Lesson 5, and we're going to correct in this video. So remember, use your green correcting pen or a green colored pencil, and don't erase any of your work or scribble it out. I want to be able to see everything that you did. All right, so let's go ahead and look at number 1 here. Hopefully, there we go. So it says, if 3 walkers started to ride bikes. So we started off with 7 here. And we're going to move 3 of those 7 down to bikes. So we went from 7, we moved, so we're going to add 3 to what's already 3. So that means we have down below, oh, okay, so that would leave us, right? If we had 7 and we took away 3, that would leave us with 4. So we have 4 people still walking and 6 people now riding bikes. There we go. Number 2, I see $1 bill and I see 5, 6, 7 cents. So 7 cents. So again, this is where you have to go. There's where my $1, but you just can't, remember, you just can't put 7 there. You have to tell me how many tens there are as well. So 0 tens, but 7 pennies, 7 ones. All right, looking at number 3, these are all made with rectangles. Number 4, the dime is C, letter C. Number 5, and we kind of did it, so clearly Al's the one that has 3 out of 4 pieces left. Number 6, okay, so we're looking at 6 plus 8, that would be 14. We have to regroup that 10. And then 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the 7 doesn't change. Okay, and then on this next one, 0, take away zeros, that doesn't change. We can't take 6 away from 5, so we need to come over here and regroup. So 3 and 15. So we have way more than enough now. 15 take away 6. That leaves us, whoops, that leaves us with 9. And then that 3 is not going to change at all. And then now we're looking at this one over here. So we can't take 8 away from 0. I'm going to try to erase that arrow, see if I can do that. Come on. There you go. So that's going to leave us with 5, but now that 0 is going to be 10, right? So now we have more than enough. 10 take away 8 is 2. That 5 is not going to change, and that 3 is not going to change. All right, number 7. From a book of 90, so we started with 90, and we took away 24. Right? We had 90 books and we took 24 of them away. How many are left, right? So we can't take 4 away from nothing, so we have to regroup here. Now 10 take away 4 is 6 and 8 take away 2 is also 6. So we have 66 books left. All right, number 8, 8:30 in the morning. Remember, morning means this AM means before the middle of the day. So 8:30 over here. And now this time our minute hand is going to be pointing right down, straight down, halfway around. That's 30 minutes, right? If we start here and we count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, that's how we get our 30. And then this time that hour hand is going to be pointing halfway between the 8 and the 9. So I'm going to draw it like that. And then I'm going to put my arrow right there. It's not pointing directly at the 8. That also moves as the minute hand moves. The hour hand moves as the minute hand moves. And halfway, when the minute hand is halfway around the hour hand will be halfway in between the 8 and the 9. Okay, so now number 9. We said 4 ways to make 10. So what plus 1 plus what? So that one's 9. So 8, 7, and 6. So it's kind of interesting, right? We counted up 1, 2, 3, 4, but on the other ones we have to kind of start with 9 and count down. All right, and then number 10, we already did our work. We have 1 inch there, 2 inches there, plus another little half. So we have 2 plus a half of an inch. So I'm going to write IN dot or period for the abbreviation. And that is the end of lesson 5. Good job.